You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn how to pronounce more confusing pronunciations, including from India, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced as locally Prithviraj. There might be different pronunciations. Let us know how you pronounce it so we can learn from you. Prithviraj. Some may say it also as Prithviraj, but no, Prithviraj. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.